Hi, I'm Barta, and this is the Marketing Leadership Masterclass. This is not a standard leadership class. This is not a marketing class. You don't need marketing in your title to attend. What we're building here is the go-to workshop for people who want more influence to make change happen. That's what we call marketing leadership. Did you know over half of marketers' business success relies on marketing leadership skills? Successful change leaders are brilliant influencers. And before showing you the class, let me tell you why I care personally about your success. I was a marketing officer myself, and I've led for many years large global brands, including all aspects of the marketing mix. But I always felt marketers don't have enough influence. So I became a McKinsey partner, and with my clients, I've led large-scale global change programs. You know, these programs where influence really matters. And myself, I've trained over 1,000 McKinsey leaders in having influence without authority. And I always thought everybody should really know these secrets. So I became an organizational psychologist, and I've done large-scale research on what makes a change leader successful. Many people have already read Patty Bauer's my book, The 12 Powers of a Marketing Leader. And I've seen firsthand how change leaders in firms fail and what it takes to succeed. So I've designed this workshop to take everything we've learned to a whole new level. That's also why I've teamed up with one of the world's most influential chief marketing officers, Saller. She's the woman behind iconic brands like Johnny Walker and Smirnoff and Guinness. And if anybody knows how to thrive in firms at the highest level, it's Sil. This class teaches you all aspects of marketing leadership in 12 rigorous modules. You get to see short videos, readings, inspirational talks, case studies, and we are going to do Q&A sessions. We'll show you, for example, how to lead upwards, the senior people around you, how to lead sideways, all the colleagues that don't report to you, how to build teams that ask for forgiveness and not permission, and how to lead yourself so you can inspire change. But what really excites me most about this course is our unique collaboration platform. You can ask questions, you can help colleagues, you can even form groups and start entirely new discussions. Yes, you'll learn a lot from the course material, but I'm pretty sure you'll learn even more if you connect with the other brilliant people in your class. Finally, this course has no exam. Yes, you'll get to work on your influencing plan, and at the end we'll give you a certificate of growth. But this course is not about ticking boxes. Your real exam is life, and success in life is what we are going to help you build. So no matter if you're leading marketing, or the digital transformation, or client work, or simply important projects, if you want more influence, more business impact, and quite frankly, more fun, we hope you can join us. Thank you.